Hi, welcome to Programming is Fun. My name is Enes, and in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic in C++, which is recursive function. So, without wasting time, let's begin. So, recursive function is a function we use in data structures mostly, and we don't use commonly in programming fundamentals or object-oriented programming, but we use recursive function in data structures and algorithms. So, what is recursive function? Recursive function is a function which calls itself. And the important and the main thing in the recursive function is that we have to give the termination condition inside the function. So here we will make a program in which we will write a function which will take a number from the user and return the factorial of the number. So let's begin. Int would be the type because factorial function will return the positive number, and write name of the function factorial and give one parameter that would be number. Now if the number is greater than 1, then it should return number into factorial number minus 1. Now if the number is greater than 1, then it will return the number into factorial, means the function calling itself. Now this is the recursion of this function. Factorial function is calling itself, but the next time the number went to the parameter would be less than the previous one. For example, if user enters 5, then the next time the number passed to the parameter would be 5